Do you always bring your phone or laptop with you? Are you tired of just scrolling down on social media without anything to gain? Well, now is the time for you to earn money online by simply watching videos, which isn't a boring thing to do. Now, before you go ahead and go into the video, this isn't your run on the mill method for earning money by watching videos. It's a little unusual, and in order to properly set things up by yourself, you will need to watch every single second of this tutorial. Do not miss on anything. You won't know what you need to do if you just jump forward, and it simply won't benefit you. The first thing that you're required to do is to go on to YouTube. It is on YouTube that you will be compensated for watching videos. However, before we get to that, you must first sign into youtube.com. I'll tell you how to do that. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So basically, all you need to do is go over to the upper right corner of the page and click sign in. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and your password in order to log in. If you don't have a Google account, you will need to make one. To do this, go to this page and click on create account. On the following page, fill in your entire name in these two boxes, as well as your completely new email address right below. Finally, you must type and retype your password in these two boxes as confirmation. Finally, click next to continue. You'll be required to submit a few more details before being able to sign up. The Explore button will appear once you log into your YouTube account on the left-hand side of the page. You want to click on it on the next page where you'll have to choose a game. And what this will do now is show you the videos in the gaming specialty that are performing really well and receiving a large number of views, and it's from these videos that they may make loads of money online. The next step is for you to choose one of these games. It doesn't really matter which one you choose as long as it is liked by many and is popular. And because the gaming industry is so vast and popular, you can go wrong with any game you choose. You'll now be able to find certain videos when you select any of those games, and they're all receiving a lot of views, which are increasing their time. Now you should exit this page and go to the second website that we'll be using today to get paid. The second website that I'm about to show you is called 7r6.com. This website is a place where you may get money by shortening the URLs of specific videos. Now, as you can see, the very first thing that is asked of you is for you to first set up an account, then shorten the link to any website, and you will be compensated through it. It is for this reason that they will pay you to shorten links. When you shorten the link to any website, not only YouTube video link when someone clicks on it, they will first be sent to the external page where they will see the advertisings, and then they will be redirected to the target site. In this approach, the website generates revenues via advertising, which is also how YouTube generates revenue. And the ad money is split between the person who just shortened the link on this platform. This is what you will do when you first get on this site. And as you know, you must first register an account before you can be compensated. To do so, go to the upper right corner of the page and click on the sign up button. This will then take you to this screen where you will enter your username, email address, and password to sign up. After that, you will mark this box, and lastly, click the register button below to complete the said process. This is how things will look when you log into your newly created account. Also, you can check your total number of views, earnings, and referral earnings over here, as well as your average CPM. To shorten the link, simply click on Use Shorten Link right here and paste it into this box. Finally, to complete the procedure, click on Shortened Link below. Once you've earned a good amount of money from the shortened links, you can withdraw it by clicking on the withdrawal icon to the left. After you've created an account, all you have to do is shorten links to earn money. And the YouTube videos are the ones we'll want to shorten. Even though you can copy and shorten links from any of these videos, I will share to you a pro tip for earning more profit. It is important that you put emphasis on live videos, and I assure you that you will see better results and gain more profit. Simply click on live here to have YouTube only show you live videos. That's all there is to it. The next step is to open up any one of them, such as this one. And to discover the video's URL, simply click on share over here and you'll be able to copy the link. Return to this platform and paste it in this box. Then click on shorten below to complete the process. And to make it really efficient, you'll want to redo what I've shown you for at least 3 videos. Just remember, you will be able to earn more money if you shorten as many links to various videos as possible. And now that you've shortened different links to different videos, it is time to put them all together. Your traffic source is the only thing that is missing. You must get people to click on your link in order to be compensated. How can you do this? Don't worry, I'm going to share 2 significant traffic sources with you. The first is steamcommunity.com. This is a forum where people talk about things that are related to gaming. Through Steam, thousands of postings about multiple games may be found here. And the site receives millions of monthly visitors. Because we want to share shortened links to YouTube gaming videos, these 2 aspects make it the ideal traffic source for us. The first thing you'll need to do on this website is to create an account. All you have to do now is create a post on the site where you will share your shortened links to start getting clicks. Imagine how easy it is to earn online. You can just wait there patiently as you receive thousands and thousands of clicks from gamers and people all over the internet. Apart from Steam, you can also share your shortened URLs by using another website. This website I'm talking about is called mood.us. I know that some of you are familiar with this, right? You can just do the same thing that you did earlier with Steam. Just follow all the steps that I just shared with you and boom, you will be amazed by the amount of traffic that's about to go your way. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.